Okay, let's get started. First of all, welcome to all of you. So, today our topic is how to make instant money online. So, the introduction is the lecture today we will cover about top 10 quick ways to earn money online. An internet connection makes nearly everything accessible, regardless of location or device. If you are looking for the ways to make money immediately, consider our topics. So, the first is review websites. Give feedback on people's websites to improve their usability. Do voiceover work. Lend your talent to commercials, trailers, and audiobooks. Complete online surveys. Make extra cash by sharing your opinions. Try mystery shopping. Get paid to review businesses and share your experience as a customer. So the number fifth is test games and softwares. Provide developers with insights into their software's user experience. So the number six is sell stock photos and footage. Ideal for photographers and videographers looking for a way to make passive income. So the number seventh is sell second-hand items. Declutter your home and sell used items like clothes, appliances, and vehicles. Sell school notes popular among students who make to maintain good grades while making money on the side. Carry out small jobs excellent for people with limited technical skills and free time. Monetize art and design. Sell products bearing your design or do art commissions. So that the test websites and give feedback. It's also a way to make instant money. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. A website tester must have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication abilities, and the knowledge of websites, functionality, and design. These qualities can improve your job perspectives and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project-based and the rates differ based on testing methods and the platform's policy. For example, user testing offers 4 to $120 per test. Website testers who perform live conversation session with clients make more money. There are few other marketplaces where people can make money online via website testing project. So the first one is Uber Testers, a cross-source testing device focusing on website, mobile apps, and games. Uber brands an online tool offering user experience testing for websites and digital product prototypes. Testbirds user experience testing for digital product, including e-commerce stores, mobile apps, fitness trackers. Userlytics, in addition to testing websites and apps, it offers projects focusing on reviewing video commercial. Try My User Interface provides impression testing for websites mobile apps via recorded video and survey-based feedback. So the first one is do voice over work. Voice over work is an excellent way to make money fast. Since the most voiceover jobs are project based, a long term commitment is not required. Companies are always looking for new voiceover talents. Here are a few examples of how to use your voiceover to make money. Audiobook. Help bring a story to life by narrating various types of books, including novels, biographies, and essay collections. Advertisement and commercial ads with voiceover are still a popular way to companies to market their products and services.